Cuadrillas de San Martín de los Llanos. Every year, as it has been done for 284 years, on the bridge of November 11, the inhabitants of San Martin prepared to receive the largest number of visitors, eager to participate in one of the most representative festivities in the plains orientals of Colombia. This equine spectacle is considered cultural patrimony of the nation and the biggest attraction of the festival. It is made up of about 50 riders, distributed in four groups and those who relive with choreography the struggles between Moors and Christians, as well as between indigenous and black. San Martin is about 2 by car from Villavicencio, the capital of Meta and gateway to the eastern plains of Colombia. I invite you to live a unique experience. It is a show not to be missed.